Hi, my name's Charlie from Charnwood, and today I'm here to introduce you to the BD15 belt disc sander. That's a 1-inch belt and a 5-inch disc. It's powered by a 250 watt motor. It's compact, ideal for the smaller workshop or for your model making. Let's talk about the 1-inch belt. We've got a support plate down the back, so when you apply pressure at the front, you've got something to press against. You've got this superb cast alloy table, which can be moved into various positions for the work that you want to do. Okay, put that back. When you want to do any rounding off, you've got this radius here, which enables you to do curves. And then obviously when you set the belt up, you need to track its running on this guide wheel, and that is done by this knob at the back. Let's have a look at the other end of the machine, and we've got the 5-inch sanding disc. This allows you to sand larger, flatter areas. To help in this, we have a cast alloy plate, which has a machine slot in to allow a mitre guide to give you the option of compound angles or normal angles. The table itself, very easy to adjust, tightening up the two securing bolts here. We also have another feature with this machine, that it has a dust extract port on the end here to enable the waste from your sanding to be extracted.